Ladies and gentlemen, it's pretty rare that I start one of these reviews outside. Rent a car. But today we are at Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's Lauderdale-by-the-Sea, and this is the Airbnb 4648, Pensacola. Is that a place? Okay, so you put in this. It's not nowhere near Pensacola. This is already off to such a rocky start. And oh, here we go. Welcome to Lauderdale-by-the-Sea or whatever. Thanks for staying here. The house rules. Okay, so this episode of Great Hotel Reviews doesn't take us to a hotel, but rather an Airbnb. And this is a very, very chic place. Look at this. This is a black hole here. And then what they do, I love this, is they take the painting, and it's also a wood carving. So you've got the carving of the black hole, and then you've got the painting of the black hole, which that is excellent. So this is the living room. Chic. And even that tree in the corner, I mean, chic. So here on the table, I mean, it's just a bunch of crap from the ocean or whatever, but it lets you know that we're here. It couldn't even be bothered to put my name up there. It should say, welcome, Great Hotel Reviews Guy. But it doesn't. But we're going to just have to. I mean, those are the touches that make a place, like, truly an amazing place to stay. But they just missed the mark on that one. So we've got a lot of different knives here. If you're a knife juggler or you need to cut a piece of steak or something, I don't know. Okay, this is a stainless steel refrigerator. The times are just, okay, this is 1 minute, and that's second, God. It's not 1:24, it's more like 9:30 here. They've got lots of mirrors around. 2 minutes, I'm out of time. Okay, so we make our way into the bedroom area, and it's Lauderdale-by-the-Sea, so that's what you get. This is where we are. We just got some more crap here from the ocean. They just, someone was walking along the beach and said, let's make some art. Let's just grab a bunch of stuff, shells, and a rubber band ball. Okay, so there's a plant here. This is actually another way out of here if you want to go out the back way. And then this is the bath. I like that. You don't even know that it's me. You don't even know that it's me. I'm 40 seconds over. Yeah, whatever. Shower was fine, but they mixed up the hot and the cold. It's HC. How are you supposed to know that? 3-minute review is the new standard, I suppose. No, it's 2 minutes. This won't happen again.